Kalami ke Jingīania ke Khluit bah pedeng Dr. Mukul Sangma MLA ke All India Trinamool Congress nongilam kaliang persya bat Conrad ke Sangma Menteri Rangba hak kenta kali jingli ke singi banrio ke dorbar mangtengka jong ke yang dorbar thawan ke jela hak nyotrik luber arajar opsan ke jingmi ini ke Jingīania ke deh ke por belacankut artat ke kenta kali jingli hak bau Dr. Mukul Sangma kat bau Conrad udang cubab halo ke Jingthung ke independent consultant bat consultancy firm ulah kena bau Conrad cubab syai bat persyang ban kerat nak cubab kat kum ke jingli Dr. Mukul ulah kena bau Menteri Rangba ukulannya ke cubab bat persyang ban nam ailat ban ngat hagi jingli ban rap Menteri Rangba ulah sange ban cubab bat kena kela baki bakeli nak yang persya kisukwa pan I baki keli buan teli ki jingli syakipaj ba kat ba kim kwa pat ban sengap I cubab kama syua ke jingli du ba bright stroll marbanyang MLA ke VPP na maulai Conrad ke sangma ulaong ba Sorkar ka thong life handai ngot ki independent consultant ba nrip handai teli ki consultancy firm.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think CM has already replied that he doesn't have it.
Sir, but I'm giving
you have already explained other things. Allow us to have some more supplementary.
Yeah, I'll give.
No, it is a tactical way to deprive us from putting on more supplementaries.
Sir,
you are perfecting this art. I appreciate, but then that is not the way. It's a question hour.
No. Let the honourable.
No, Mr. Speaker, sir, repetition, merry-go-round. Yeah, you know, it's like a merry-go-round. We are.
I have again been saying if they are passionate about asking, they should be patient.
Allow me to provide some more supplementary.
Please sit down.
So shall I continue?
You may continue with your reply.
Sir, because I think then what the opposition wants is that they just want to show that they are asking many questions, to show the people that they are asking, but they don't want to hear our reply. So doesn't seem that they're interested. So let them keep asking questions. I'll just sit down, sir. This is that.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think it is wrong to say that we are not interested to hear. I think what is important here is how, together, mutually, with utmost respect to the dignity of this House, we utilize the time. We have many other areas of replying in this manner.
You may please ask.
Therefore, allow us to also put supplementaries.
One more question.
So sir, my other supplementary now, may I be allowed to put another supplementary, is that in view of the reply to my supplementary, since the Honorable Chief Minister has said he doesn't have this information, therefore, specifically pertaining to the salaries being paid, which is approved by the governing or the board of directors of the respective companies, may I get an assurance from the Chief Minister to put all these informations on the table of the August House. All the informations pertaining to different categories and salaries thereof.
Sir, I'll reply to that. But in general, I also want to share that the questions that are asked need an explanation. I am not trying to, extend my reply. I'm tired of replying, to be very frank, because it's tiring. But then I have to do it because I have a responsibility. And therefore, if I give a one-line answer, it does not give the entire picture. That is my only point, sir. I'm not trying to bore anybody. But then you have to understand why. Now, for example, they said salaries. Sir, the salary is not based on, say, what individual is paid. It's the task that is given. So you have to complete this within a matter of 1 year. So for that task to be completed, say 10 lakhs is given. Now if you divide 10 lakhs by 12, then you say, oh, per month the person is getting 80,000. So that cannot be seen because that will end after 10 months. That is what I'm trying to explain to everybody so that the people can understand. That
you may take your time to reply.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, but this reply, this question was very simple, sir. We can provide the information to the House.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.